Boondocking with kids. How to make it fun and educational. Imagine the freedom of waking up to a new view outside your window every morning, surrounded by nature and your loved ones. Boondocking with kids is not just a way to explore the unknown. It's a journey filled with endless opportunities for fun, learning, and growth. But how do you turn this adventure into a harmonious blend of education and entertainment, especially when far from the conveniences of traditional campgrounds? Here's a guide to making boondocking with kids not only manageable but an unforgettable experience that enriches their minds and souls. Embracing nature as the ultimate classroom. Nature is the oldest teacher, and boondocking puts you right in its classroom. The key to making this experience educational is to see every element through a lens of curiosity. Flora and fauna identification. Equip your RV with regional wildlife and plant guides. Challenge your kids to identify different species and learn about their habitats and roles in the ecosystem. Stargazing sessions. Away from city lights, the night sky reveals its wonders. Use apps like Star Walk to identify constellations, planets, and discuss the vastness of the universe. Cultivating survival skills. Boondocking is the perfect setting to teach practical, hands-on survival skills that books can't match. Fire building and safety. Teach your children how to safely gather firewood, build, and extinguish a campfire. Discuss the importance of fire safety and its role in cooking and warmth. Water conservation. Being off-grid means managing limited resources. Involve your kids in daily water usage planning, teaching them the value of conservation and self-sufficiency. Integrating tech in the great outdoors. While boondocking is about disconnecting, technology can be a powerful ally in making learning fun and accessible. Educational apps. Use educational apps to complement the natural learning environment. Apps like Seek by iNaturalist encourage biodiversity discovery, turning hikes into interactive learning experiences. Documentary nights. Reserve some nights for educational documentaries related to your current location or natural phenomena, making your RV a moving cinema that educates and entertains. Creative arts and crafts. Nature provides an endless supply of materials and inspiration for arts and crafts, allowing children to express their creativity while reinforcing their connection to the environment. Nature journals. Encourage your kids to keep a journal of their experiences, drawings, and collected natural items, where permitted, fostering observation and reflection skills. Eco-art projects. Use leaves, rocks, and sticks for art projects, teaching the principles of leave no trace by ensuring that natural items are returned or left undisturbed. Incorporating physical activity and exploration. Boondocking locations offer a playground like no other, promoting physical health and a spirit of adventure. Geocaching and treasure hunts. Turn hikes into treasure hunts by trying geocaching, or create your own with maps and clues leading to hidden treasures around your campsite. Nature obstacle courses. Set up simple obstacle courses using natural features, promoting physical fitness and imaginative play. Fostering environmental stewardship. Teaching children to respect and care for their surroundings is a crucial part of boondocking education. Leave no trace principles. Educate your kids on the 7 leave no trace principles, making them guardians of the environment through practical activities like trash collection and minimizing campsite impact. Wildlife observation and respect. Use binoculars for birdwatching and wildlife observation, teaching the importance of respecting wildlife by observing from a distance. Engaging in historical and cultural education. Boondocking near historical sites or within different cultural regions offers a deep dive into the past and present of the area. Local history lessons. Research the history of your boondocking location and its significance. Visit nearby historical markers or sites, if possible, to bring the history to life. Cultural immersion activities. If near communities, participate in local events or visit museums to learn about the area's culture and traditions, enriching your children's understanding of diversity. Implementing a routine with flexibility. While boondocking offers freedom, a flexible routine can help manage education and recreation, ensuring a balanced experience. Educational mornings. Dedicate morning hours to more structured educational activities, taking advantage of children's peak focus times. Adventure afternoons. Reserve afternoons for exploration and physical activities, allowing kids to expend energy and engage with their surroundings. Creating a community learning environment. Boondocking doesn't mean isolation. Engaging with fellow boondockers can expand your children's social skills and learning opportunities. Skill sharing sessions. Organize casual get-togethers with nearby others for skill-sharing activities, allowing kids to learn from different adults and make new friends. Group explorations. Collaborate with other families for group hikes or exploration trips, fostering teamwork and community living skills. The art of storytelling. End each day around the campfire with storytelling, tapping into the ancient art of oral history and narrative to instill values, spark imagination, and strengthen family bonds. Personal stories and histories. Share family histories, personal adventures, and traditional tales, encouraging your kids to contribute their own stories. Mythology and folklore. Introduce myths and folklore related to the stars, wildlife, or the geographical area you're in, enriching the boondocking experience with layers of meaning. The unforgettable classroom of the open road. Boondocking with kids is an adventure that transcends the conventional classroom, offering lessons in nature, survival, technology, arts, physical fitness, environmental stewardship, history, culture, routine, community, and storytelling. It's a holistic education that not only prepares children for life's practicalities but also instills in them a deep appreciation for the world and its diverse inhabitants. As you journey through the untamed wilderness, remember that every challenge is a lesson, every encounter a story, and every day a gift of knowledge. Embrace the freedom, cherish the moments, and watch as your children grow into well-rounded, earth-conscious individuals, armed with the wisdom of the road and the boundless wonder of the great outdoors. Welcome to the grandest classroom of all, the great outdoors, where every sunrise promises new knowledge, every sunset concludes a day of discovery, and every star-studded night whispers the ancient tales of the universe. Boondocking with kids is not just a lifestyle, it's a journey of perpetual growth, boundless adventure, and unforgettable education.